Angel's Minute.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about fruits. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Let's start. Apple, apple. Mango, mango. Watermelon, watermelon. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Orange, orange. Strawberry, strawberry. Banana, banana. Cherry, cherry. Papaya, papaya. Lemon, lemon. Grapes, grapes. Pear, pear. Lime, lime. Avocado, avocado. Kiwi, kiwi. Peach, peach. Pineapples, pineapples. Blackberries, blackberries. Raspberries, raspberries. Blueberries, blueberries. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Coconut, coconut. Apple, mango, watermelon, pomegranate, orange, strawberry, banana, cherry, papaya, lemon, grapes, pear, lime, avocado, kiwi, peach, pineapple, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, jackfruit, dragon fruit, coconut.
Yay! Now we know about fruits.
Hey everyone! If you like this video, don't miss to like, subscribe and share for many more updates. Have a nice day!